Howdy lads and lasses, it's completely raining right now, as you can see. I don't know what time it is, I think it's about 10 at night. We have nowhere to go, we're stood underneath some shelter thingamajigger.
Pet shop.
Pet shop like homeless people. Hope you enjoyed the video, see you in a bit. Be careful, pal, it's a bit raining.
This is awful.
Fucking hell. Fucking so bad. That bucket's got puddles. That's Titanic. His bike's gonna drown.
What time's rain gonna stop tomorrow?
1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon.
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 Have we got a fire in there? Sorry.
Look.
Yeah, wow.
So when I was 24, 25, I sold drugs. Long time ago now. I can be honest and open about my past. I was a fighter. So fighting wasn't paying the bills, sold drugs, whatever. So I'm selling drugs. I didn't really like selling drugs. I didn't like the anxiety.
Andrew Tate, naughty bugger, selling drugs. What are you doing in there? Scared of the rain?
This shelter's getting a bit boring, so I'm going to try and find a new home for homeless people.
Nice bench there. Oh, you're here, what kind of kid? Dylan! Sorry, horrible.
Go on. Just gone to find some more shelter first, because this, like I said, this is getting
I'm
boring.
trying to get to his house.
There's a guy, what?
Arcade open.
It's actually.
Yeah.
Can we go in here?
Yeah.
If you just asked him. What about his bike?
We'll just leave him outside. There's that canopy there.
Right, absolutely piss it down outside it, well. A few minutes plus, still a little bit. So we've come inside of this arcade. So there's some lovely people in here. I'm hoping to bits. And I'm sorry, in the casino a bit, and in a few minutes I might be working, helping them pack up and that, because I'm just a respectful man and I respect my elders. They help us, so I help them. You know what I mean? Whether you're hot female or not, I will give you CPR. Aye up, me again, back, fit as fuck. Anyway, my man over here, you would show his hair's a bit wet. He's a bit wet to be fair. Anyway, he's going to be doing some push-ups. That's right, guys, push-ups. Come on, you get the step. I don't know what to grab his ass, it's all that. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to Harris Amusements for letting us stay with some shelter during these horrible weather conditions. Thank you to finally thank you very much to Kat for letting me stay dry. I'll show you exactly what happened. Fucking hell, you, that's horrible. I came to the curb here, yeah? And obviously you can't see because how wet it is. I went up like this, hit that, my tyres spun, my left foot went in this massive puddle of water, and my right foot landed on here. I held the bike like that, but I thought, fuck it, I just laid my bike down.
So basically what's happened, Marley's come off and then you...
I flew off.
I need to put his bike back where I found it.
I don't put it in water, it's drowning. You're killing it.
Put it back where I found it, so...
You're killing it, bless him. He's half drowned.
Right, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you later, lads and lasses.
Fuck this shit.
Bye.